Git concepts to learn next. These are not for day one, but very useful once you know the basics. 1. Git stash temporarily saves your unfinished work. Use when you need to switch branches but your work is not ready to commit. Git stash pop, meaning save changes right pointing arrow, do something else right pointing arrow, bring them back later. 2. Git cherry pick. Pick one specific commit from another branch and apply it to your current branch. Use when you want only one commit, not the whole branch. Git cherry pick less than commit id greater than. Example, take a bug fix from dev branch and apply it to main. 3. Git rebase. Rewrites commit history to make it clean and straight. Use when you want a clean commit history before merging. Git rebase main. Instead of \d e, rebase makes it. Warning: don't rebase shared branches. 4. Git tag. Marks important points in history. Usually releases. Use when you release a new version of your app. Git tag version 1.0. Git push origin version 1.0. Example, v1.0, v2.0, v2.1. 5. Git config. Your personal Git settings file. Used to store your name, your email, default editor, shortcuts, aliases. Example, Git config, global user.name, your name. Git config, global user, email, you@email.com. 6. SSH keys. Used to securely connect your computer to GitHub without typing password. Use when you pull code from GitHub. Steps. Simple idea. Generate SSH key on your computer. Add public key to GitHub. Connect securely. Benefit: secure, faster, no password every time. In simple words, stash equals save work for later. Cherry pick equals copy one commit. Rebase equals clean history. Tag equals mark versions. Git config equals your Git profile. SSH keys equals secure login.